great Ivan. Currently, I hold the position of a cultural program manager and Avicenna Budapest campaign coordinator. Why do I like to have been a member of Avicenna for about 6 years? It's very simple. Because I constantly feel caring and demanding atmosphere here in an environment. It seems to me that I take part in a cultural journey day by day among 10, 14 nationality students. We do everything with our colleagues to involve students into extracurricular weekend activities, cultural activities such as visiting museums, city tours, taking part into sporting events or musical events, or going to theater with us, or even excursions within the city or 40, 50 kilometers away from the capital. These are great events because they can deepen their friendships, they can also relax, and their hard work is offset with these. Nevertheless, the most outstanding cultural event of the year in spring is called International Student Festival, where we give opportunity for each nationality represented in Avicenna to showcase their culture through displaying their traditional objects or giving stage performances in folk dress, of course. For example, playing folk music or dancing folk dance, or simply teach each other traditional sport or game activities. And we also encourage them to prepare their traditional food and offer them for external visitors as well from cultural centers and embassies, and they are very proud of it. So as you can see, the diverse yet universal culture enriches us, while it serves as a protective shell, like a nutshell, around us, and a source of self-esteem and self-expression. So we know very well finding the healthy balance between intellectual, social, emotional, psychological needs is utterly important. So why don't you come and join us and try to find this balance here by recharging your depleted energy bag with the energy of togetherness in Avicenna community.